Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of More with E Mondays here on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. Now, if you want to see more of me, please follow me on Instagram at More with E. Also, if it's your first time tuning in, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, I have another treat. Can't wait to show you. It's another juice recipe. I don't want to really get too much into it, so let's start. So today, I will be showing you the Little Green. This juice, I must say, surprised me. It has such a great taste and incredible health benefits. This is one of my go-to juices, and I'm sure it'll be one of yours too. So let's get to it. So what you'll need is 4 green apples, 4 kiwis, and 4 celery stalks. This makes about 32 ounces total. Then next, we will start placing our ingredients inside the juicer. Now with the celery stalks, you don't have to chop them up. Just place the celery inside the hole and the juicer will do the rest. So after all the ingredients are done, let the juicer filter and combine the fruits and veggies thoroughly. It's really well known for this. One of my favorite features of the juicer. Now, doesn't it look so vibrant and delicious? This juice is so refreshing as well as it makes you feel good. So remember, use an airtight sealed jar to preserve your juice, and it should last about 3 to 5 days refrigerated. See, the Nama juicer does not fail. They always make the best juices. Now, if you're looking for one, the link is in the description down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E, so you can catch me next week here on More with E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. I'm out.